Hello, hello, hello. Come over here. It smells so good, and I know this is the best pizza, the newest pizza from Pizza Hut. Join me. My gosh, this is a stuffed crust pizza. Cheesy 8, ultimate cheesy 8. Ah, oh my gosh, I really love this one on top. It's like an ice cream, but it's not. It looks like a scoop of ice cream, but oh my gosh, honey. Oh my gosh, I'm trembling. It's really a mouth watering, guys and gals. Oh no, now I know. This is a similar with. No, I'm not gonna tell, but it's a competitor of Pizza Hut. Oh my god, sorry, my bad. This is for you. Oh. Yumminess. Oh my gosh. So ano tong on top? Itong ano to? Anong cheese to?
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Splendid. Hallelujah.